Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome back to another class with most important content. I am your trainer Muhammad Sanawar and today we are going to discuss project screen or interface and toolbar. So when you create a new project, you can see here some different boxes. When you will see for the first time, then you will be shocked. What are these things and why this is too much complex? Well, this is not much complex. Simple. When we talk about these boxes, all these boxes have some particular task that we can perform. First of all, look here. This is your project window and here you can import your all footage, your videos or your images and your audios and something else, and you want to use in your video, then you can import from here. This is very simple to import any file. First one is that simple double click here and from there you can select your video and click OK, and then it will import your selected items, and yes, here you can see your selected file. And the second method is that right click here and select import. That will ask for a file, and that's it. And the last one is that you can perform drag and drop, so that's very simple. And you can preview your file, so just double click on your file, that's it, and you can play your video from there. So now you have an idea. This is your source window. Sometimes you want to a small clip from your video, then you can get from the source window. Just click here your starting point of the clip and ending point of the video and drag this part and place here. This is your timeline, and here you can see sequence of your video. Alright, currently we have not created any sequence, and we can create new sequence, and today I am not going to create any sequence. Just understand the introduction of Adobe Premiere Pro panels. So in program window, the final product after editing you can see here in program window. If I open my previous project that I have edited, here you can see all my footages like videos, images, some textual files and music that I have edited in my project. So you can see the thumbnail view from there, and here is my sequence, and you can adjust your window according to you. If you want to stretch or you want to minimize, and you can do that. Look here, you can see some tracks in timeline. The above bands or tracks are for the videos and the below the tracks for your audios. If I play this video, you can see here. I hope you already watched this lecture. So I'm not going to edit anything today, but this is just introduction of Adobe Premiere Pro so that you familiar before start editing. So here is lower third of my introductory name, and if you want to hide any track, then you can do that. Here just like layers in Illustrator and Photoshop. And this is my audio, as you can see. This is my video, and this is textual. If I hide this one, then you can see here, and here you can see the sample and the visualization of your video. Alright, looks here, as I am using Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020, and this is our workspace. And if you can't see here, then don't worry about that. Then go to window, and here you can see all the workspaces. You can customize your workspace according to you, and if you want to add colors in your video, then you can change from there. And so this is quite amazing. And if you want to work on audio, then you can get from there. So different workspaces you can adjust according to you. So almost I have covered everything before start editing, and I hope so you understand everything that I have talked to you. And now this is your decision, either you want to learn or not, or either this is compulsory for you or not. And I am always available to teach you anytime, so don't worry about that. So must learn these things, but if you want to be a master, this is your decision in future, but not now. So that's enough for today lectures, and I hope so you like this lecture. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.